guys, welcome back, and today I have a super simple, easy, and fun craft to do for your birds. So, you know those Dowl perches that come with most of the cages that you buy from a store? Well, say no more. We fixed them and they're not bad for your bird's feet anymore. All I have to do is use a belt sander, and let's get into the video. So I kept the back of these smoother than the top because these are supposed to lay on top of here, so we wanted to make sure they could still fit there. So let's see what the birds think of this. And they fit perfectly. There we go. They love to hang out on that, and I felt really bad that they had to deal with it on their feet, so here we go. And now it's safe for you.